Sarah.
All right, let's see if we can get these girls moved to some taller grass. Come on, come on. Oh, they like the sound of that feed bucket. Come on. A little help from Tex and Tootsie. Get in the way more than help. Come on. These will be a little bit of ground beef and steaks this fall. Come on. All right. Well, that went easier than I thought. Oh, still got shingles laying in the pasture from the hurricane. All right, on to the next chore. Thanks for the help, kids. Good morning, this is Sean, Cooper Hill Farm. We're out in the Purple Hull pea patch this morning. We're gonna get started picking some purple hulls. Picked yesterday, picked a couple of bushels. Gonna get out here this morning while it's still cloudy and the sun's down and see how many we can pick today. Got a lot of orders to fill and want to get started on it. Let me put this camera down and get these baskets filled. All right, we got the bush hog greased up, tractor fueled up, all checked, fluids. We're gonna get over here, do some bush hogging around these peas, knock some of this grass down in some of these pastures. There's been a break in the rain. Rained quite a bit last night, yesterday evening, so I wanted to get out here and knock this grass down. If it looks like the rain's gonna hold off, we might get out, spray some fence rows today. So anyway, let me get on this tractor and get started on it. Hello, Tex. Hello, Tootsie. All right.